Yeah, too easy. Alright, hey everybody, my name is Julius Yates from Shady Pines Saloon. I'm going to show you how to make a whiskey sour today. I always like to start with my cheapest ingredient first, so that if you fuck up somewhere through the entire thing, you can just throw it out and start again without actually wasting anything that's worthwhile. Spec is 20 mils of sugar syrup, 30 mils of freshly juiced lemon juice. Most people say a dash of egg white. I'm a little bit more particular. I like 15 mils. And then we use Valentine's Finest Scotch whiskey for our whiskey sours. A lot of people might use bourbon. We choose to use Scotch here. Gives it a little bit more dryness suddenly. And of course, last but not least, Angostura bitters. Just 2 dashes in there. Give it a quick dry shake. Smells delicious. Bit of ice. Seal that bad boy back up. So, fun fact about the whiskey sour. It's first published in the Wisconsin Journal in 1870. So it's obviously been around for quite a while. It's one of our most popular drinks here. Light, refreshing, fluffy, sour obviously. A little bit boozy. There we go. And of course, we like to garnish ours with the usual lemon and cherry, but we use a little American flag as well, just to really hit home on the yeehaw.